Hey, today we are in BMW with manual transmission, and as you can see I have some wear and tear over here. This is caused mostly by the jewelry, by the wedding ring that I wear, and this wraps over here and damage the shift knob. Over here I have the replacement that I bought on AliExpress, and you can check the link in the description below this video if you want to buy one. This whole assembly was about 10 bucks, I believe. Don't quote me on that, check the link in the description to see the actual price. And I'm going to replace it. Let's replace it. So the first thing is to engage your handbrake, put it into neutral. Now we are going to pry the aluminum finish over here, then release the leather part, and then you need to put it in second gear, grab it firmly, pull it really hard, and just look out not to smack yourself with it in your face. Okay, so let's do it. There are 4 points that we need to pry to release it. 1, 2, and the other 2 goes by itself. And right now, second or fourth, grab and pull. Let's try it. Ah, there he goes. There it goes. You can see the difference now, how much wear is on it. And now let's put the new one. Just place it over here and smack it in. Now let's clean up this frame over here. There's a lot of junk and little debris, and once it's clean I can assemble it again. Okay, so thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you liked this tutorial. You can check my other tutorials about BMW and other brands, and subscribe for future videos. And that's it. See you soon.